I need to unrace car my car. Let me show you. I have a car show tomorrow, and I currently still have slicks. Probably not the best for the road. I need to remove my race numbers. Well, I don't need to, but I'm going to. And I'm currently running all water just because racetrack, old car, they don't like when you spill coolant. So let's start this thing and pull it out first. Well, first let's move this. And for anybody that says this isn't a race car, fuel tank's in the trunk. And in the words of David Freiberger, it's a race car. I just realized David Freiberger didn't say that. Mike Finnegan did about David Freiberger's car. Anyway. The street tires aren't quite as tall. They need to be. For those of you that don't know, the torque spec on an old car is at least 3 ugga-duggas. One of you probably noticed, I was going to say something, but yes, I run wheel spacers in this car on the front and the back, just because I like the fitment. If it didn't have the wheel spacers, it'd be way sucked in, and I don't like that. I'm going for that old school look. Same thing on the front, and that's with wheel spacers. Without them, they're way in there. Costco glass cleaner. No. And the last thing to do is drain the water and put coolant, which I'm not going to do. I only have like a mile to drive, and the next time it's out, it's probably going to be the racetrack. So it's going to be a waste of effort. So, well, I'll do one more video, starting the car, pulling it in, and no more race car.